Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. It's DaMian the Barber, your trusted specialist in non-surgical hair replacement for afro and mixed textured hair. Today, we're diving into a detailed breakdown of three popular hair system bases. We've got lace base, PU base, and the Q6 base. Whether you're a fellow professional or someone considering a hair system, this video will help you understand the advantages and the disadvantages and best uses of each. Let's jump right in. First up is the lace base. This is one of the most popular choices because of its natural look. The lace is tied with human or synthetic hair, giving you a virtually invisible hairline. So what makes it stand out? Advantages include being able to cut the hair short for waves, or maybe you want to try hairstyles like braids and dreads. It's breathable. It's also great for everyday comfort. It's easy to apply using lace tape, which saves plenty of time. But it's not without its downsides. Disadvantages include it requiring maintenance every week or two. Sweat can get through the lace, and it's not the easiest to clean. The base can rip and tear, and the threads can loosen over time. For adhesives, I would recommend lace tape, which works seamlessly with this system. If you want a natural scalp exposing look, the full lace base is an excellent option. Next, let's talk about the PU base, also known as the skin base. This includes super thin or ultra thin systems, which are the lightest and thinnest options on the market. The V-loop ventilation makes it look incredibly natural. Advantages include it being highly durable, lasting longer than advertised. You can wear it securely for up to 3 to 4 weeks or even longer, which is perfect for an active lifestyle. It also acts as a barrier between the scalp and the hair, and it's easier to clean compared to the lace systems. However, it does have some drawbacks. Disadvantages include it not being breathable, so it could feel uncomfortable in hot climates. The base might be visible if you go very short with a haircut with the waves or the shorter styles. And for adhesives, I would recommend acrylic glue and multiple layers of water-based adhesives. Odd tape as well can also work with the PU. If you're looking for something durable and easy to maintain and clean, the PU base is a strong choice. Finally, we have the Q6 base, which offers the best of both worlds. It combines the breathability of lace at the front and the secure adhesion of PU at the back. The lace front being breathable and comfortable, the PU back makes it durable and easy to clean. This is perfect for active clients who sweat frequently. However, it's not without its challenges. Disadvantages include the PU area not being breathable, which can feel warm in certain climates. And like the PU base, the system can be visible if you cut to a very short style. Over time, the lace threads can loosen and adhesives might seep through and stick to the hair. For adhesives, I would recommend a tape for the lace section and a water-based adhesive, multiple layers, or acrylic glue on the PU part of this system. The Q6 base is a fantastic option for clients who want a balance of comfort and durability. There you have it, a detailed look at the full lace base, the PU base, and the Q6 base. Each has its strengths and its weaknesses, and the right choice ultimately depends on your lifestyle and personal preferences. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more insights into hair replacement systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.